initiative by the organizers, AISM, to give a platform for younger generation of individuals who give a direction of the entrepreneurial skills as well as enterprise development. I think it's a great forum so that they can, the agenda looks very interesting. There are a lot of people who are successful or people who are running organizations to learn from them. I think you can learn the mistakes they made so that you don't repeat them, as well as also motivate them, that it can be done. Under all adverse circumstances, there are a lot of difficulties, but in spite of all that, if you put your heart and mind, you can be done. I think these kind of forums really helps youngsters to really go into the next level of entrepreneurship. I think our country is a very fertile country to develop any entrepreneur. I think there are many sectors that they can go into. I think what they should go into is to identify there are certain sectors they should avoid, which are problematic. There are certain sectors, especially in the service sector. There are many sectors in the service sectors they can go into, like IT or development or hospitality industry, so that I think the future will be in the service industry. I think they should look at it, how they can develop and niche and create companies which can be support services. A lot of organizations are now going to outsource their service they're providing. So I think if they can develop into some form of outsourcing company, to develop into niche into either HR or doing hospitality or management kind of thing, payroll kind of thing. There are many things they can develop. The capital outlay is not huge, but the human capital, the development of human capital and expertise is high. I think they can really grow big into that environment. If there are opportunities given, and there are some government sectors giving some opportunity to do certain projects, I think they can also vie for it. I think there are a lot of things, but they need to develop the skills themselves, apart from the degrees they get in the university or bachelor or master or PhD. But the life kind of thing, active, working under some, understudying some people, knowing more about the product itself will help them a lot. And to that extent, I think this kind of seminars are actually a really great stepping stone for them.